champions. Today I am really excited because I am going to give you a group discussion video. I have 6 students with me and we are going to discuss on a specific topic, but we will decide the topic later. I want you to introduce yourself guys first. Is that clear? Let's start with you.
Firstly, thank you, sir, for selecting me in this group discussion. Well, my name is Arifa Mansoori. I am from Gango. I am a student of GRM, and with it, I have been my communication skills from Opera Institute of Spoken English. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you, sir, giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. This is Umair Chaudhary. I am from Tataidi district, Saharanpur, UP. Recently, I have completed my 12th standard and currently I am learning German language. In addition, improving my communication skill from Opera Institute, Gango. Speaking English was my dream. Whatever I am speaking in front of you today, it is because of Adnan sir. Again, thanks a lot, sir.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to pay thanks Mr. Adnan sir, who has provided me a golden opportunity to introduce myself. Well, my name is Mujammil. I am from Budanpur. That is a small village in Saharanpur. Recently, I have completed my bachelor degree BCA, and now I am learning English speaking at Opera Center. Thank you, sir.
Firstly, I am grateful to Mr. Adnan sir to give me such an interesting opportunity to introduce myself. I am Srishti, friend of you, and I am the student of BCA, and I am from Gango. Now currently I am working on my English skills because they are must for future. I wanna share my experience with you. I had a dream that I will speak English a day, and now I speak English as well because of Adnan sir, and my dream has come true because of you. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pari, and I am from Gango, Saharanpur, and I am pursuing my BBA from IPS College, Gango, and now I am currently working on my English skills.
Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Firstly, I want to share thought my English journey. Before joining this Opera Institute Center, I could not speak a single word of English, but nowadays I am able to speak with little bit fluency. I am Kusal and I am from Gango. I am doing BCom and this is my second year. With it, I improving my communication skill. That's it. Thank you so much, sir.
So, I welcome you all, my dear students. Before I give you the topic for group discussion, I want to share a story with you. Listen to me carefully. It is a story of a balloon seller or a vendor or a kid. Once a kid goes to a balloon seller and says, "What are you selling?" He says, "I am selling the balloons." And he start asking, as a kid he start asking the questions to balloon vendor. So there is a tank. He asked about it. What is this? It is gas tank. What do you do with this? He says, "I fill the gas in the balloons." Okay. He sees different colors balloon there. He asks about, okay, if you release white color balloon, what happens with the white color balloons? He says, it goes in the sky. Then the kid asks, what about green color? The vendor says again, it also goes in the sky. And he asks about yellow and red color. The vendor says, my dear kid, my dear child, it does not matter what the color of balloon is. What matters is what inside the balloon. So what matters is not English. English is a second language for us. What matters is our confidence, our knowledge, our analytical skills solve a problem. So therefore, I have decided a very good topic for you. The topic is, we are noticing every year millions of students are choosing to study from online platform. Am I right? So, this is your topic today. Do you think online platform of education is only education is better than the platform of line traditional classrooms? I hope you have understood the topic. Everybody is ready to start? That's nice. Let's start with you, Srishti.
Firstly, I would like to pay thanks to the GDO on behalf of complete team to give us such an interesting topic to discuss upon. As the topic is discussion is online classes are best or offline classes are best. And I strongly favor that offline classes are best more than online classes, because my first point is because offline classes provide us face to face interactions, and because of face to face interactions the students ask their problem easily to our teachers. Like, as I give you example, if the students face any difficulty in any subjects, so the students ask their teachers quickly, and their teacher solve their questions quickly and different methods. And face to face interactions provide us a social environment, like as if we know any teacher behavior because of offline classes, and in all online classes we don't know any teacher's behavior. So
That's thank you.
So I would like to pay thanks to Zudio on the behalf of team. This topic, I strongly favor the topic online education is best, because in my opinion online education system is best because can attend in classes anywhere and anytime, our schedule and choice. For example, sometimes a student miss out on their classes due to personal issues. I mean, when there is family gathering at our home, so we can don't go to school and classes as well as chapter. But this not the case is online learning system. Can take their classes even after 1 year. Secondly, if we don't know any word, and you can search on YouTube and Google. Online teachers are best than offline teachers because students can learn from the foreign expert teachers.
Very good.
A student in India can attend foreign classes.
sir, my opinion is offline classes are best because establish a cultural where feedback is normalized and valued. Both giving and receiving feedback should be part of the learning process. They help students see the value in feedback as a tool for important learning. But online classes have many disadvantages. For example, lack of immediate clarification, where student can raise their hands and get instant answers. Over 50% of online learners face delay in doubt clarification, leading to confusion and misunderstanding also.
Sir, in my opinion, online classes are better than offline classes.
Okay.
The most and important advantage of online classes is affordability. Mostly people can afford online classes as compared to offline classes because online platform fee is very less as compared to offline classes. Uh, Recently, I see a student whose name is Umar Ahmed. He comes from Jammu and Kashmir. He wanted to become a MBBS doctor, but he belongs to a very poor family. Firstly, he did work as a labor. After that, he took online classes with dedication and hard work from PW. And he got selected in MBBS in 2023. It is because of online study.
23 or 25?
23.
He was selected in 2020.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. So, what do you agree with this statement that online classes delay the answers?
No, sir. Nowadays, technology increasing day by day. You also know. In the online platform like PW, Khan Academy, they provide us doubt faculty as well as live classes teacher also. In one teacher take online classes. In the other hand, one teacher sit doubt
To clear the doubt?
to clear the doubt of a student.
Mrs. Srishti and
Miss Srishti.
Miss Srishti and Pari already has a strong point set.
Hmm.
But I want to add some point.
Hmm.
If you want to become a singer, musician, you have to go offline classes. If
Hmm.
you don't go to offline classes, you can't learn these until you touch music instrument. How we can use and ring them? Please tell me.
That's very good question. Offline classes are important for practical skills like dancing, cooking, as music. If someone wants to become a singer, how he can learn singing online? That's a good question.
In my opinion, online is better than offline because you can study from anywhere. Like through online learning, you can study from anywhere, be it home and office and other any place. Like I want to give an example. You work in our office and you don't have time for learning, and you take class online. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I have taken help from Google to prepare my topic. If I would prepare it myself, I would take to on and more hours. Hence, it is easy to say that online platform not only save money and also save time. For example, in offline platform, students have to commute to school or college, which also an extra burden on their parents of school van and so on. Offline platform have less distraction. Let me clarify this point. There are many students who don't have any sense of talking and behaving. They come in college to noise and try to distract student in various ways, such as molesting girls and innocent boys fighting and any other ways. Thank you.
I give you example. If someone have no time to study, so he make punctual. How he make punctual? And the biggest advantage of offline classes, students make punctual because of offline classes. Like as students go to school in full time, and you said that I copy. Because of all offline classes, we make our mind creative. Like if the teacher gave me a question, so I solve the question. कैसे भी सर मतलब?
Anyhow,
I think and I deeply understand question. And in online classes, students, you also saw anyone's the someone don't think our mind
with your mind.
with their mind. And if the teacher gave the questions to the students, so the students don't use their mind, they use only chat gpt, google, etc apps. And because of this, our creative thinking is decrease. And because of offline classes, our creative thinking is boost. Thank you.
But online classes mainly runs 2 to 4 hours. after while you can repetition, like you can self study, you can do self study. But in the offline classes you go to 8 p.m. and after return to back home 4 p.m. you don't have much time to
Students, not you. Students don't have much time. We are not talking
student
about
don't have much time to do self study.
And I believe
I believe self study is more much most important to crack any competitive exam.
But if you have no time, if someone have no time to study, so how he make punctual? Because time management is the most important thing in our life. If we are not punctual, so we can do nothing.
So in the same offline classes,
you can add discipline also here.
if you have no time, you can't study online or offline both.
My opponent said time management is very important. I think we save time in the online, like online learning saves time because you don't have to spend time commuting to a classroom.
Yes.
And in the online we don't need commuting, and we can save our time.
Uh, some student go to Kota, Delhi, Dehradun, like big cities for preparing their competitive exam like NEET, JEE, UPSC. Uh, Starting initially they don't have any problem, but after some time he feel alone because it is far away from his family, and they face many problem like health issue, depression. But in the if we take online classes, we take online classes from their home, and our family, मतलब हमारी फैमिली आसपास रहती है,
Stay with us.
and our family stay with us. If we have any problem like health issue, depression, we can discuss with our parents. This is also an advantage of online study.
It's very good. Yeah.
I want to add a new point. Offline education is also helpful and learning to we how we can live and debate to another gender. Because after that education, everybody got to married because it's a culture to our India, and it's a beneficial. Will you see in your future? This is no. This don't know learning about online education. That's
very good.
So I think offline classes help build confidence. For example, personal attention, teachers can provide individual support and clear doubts instantly, helping student for correct their concepts and clarify their doubts better and feel more confident in their understanding. For example, face-to-face interaction with the teachers and peers encourage participation, discussion, and immediate feedback, which boost student confidence in expressing and themselves.
That's very good. Yeah, Srishti. That's right.
Offline classes provides us hands-on learning and practical experience. Offline classes involves the group projects, experiments, and field work. Like as if in offline classes, the teachers provide the students games to represent their skills and confidence, and in offline classes teachers teachers take the presentation of the students. Because of this, the confidence level is increase of the students, and
Yeah, definitely. I'm listening to you. That's nice.
and offline classes provides us the students knowledge, gain knowledge in and everywhere, like as if in the schools many functions like as sports also do in the schools. So the teachers go out to their students, represent their for the competition of another school and another city, and because of this that the students gain knowledge everywhere, like as they meet new students, new culture, and in a new schools, visit new schools, so they gain more knowledge. If someone
Want to become a
want to become a doctor, so they need to practice, not they if they wanna surgery in
They want to do surgery.
surgery and practice, so they also do practical work, not online, because in online classes only teach theory and anything, but in offline classes teachers teach us practically experiment, like as chemistry labs have many chemicals who which are harmful for us, so we can't experiment of chemicals not at home. We can experiment of chemicals in chemistry lab, and the teacher teaches how to do experiment. Thank you.
That's right. Yeah. Keep it here. Anybody can take it. Yeah.
I agree with you, but if we want to become a engineer and you are developing a project, you will have to take help
From technology.
from technology online. Like
Put your mic a little bit closer.
yeah, you will have to take help from the technology online. Like without help of technology, we can't develop a program. So
Project.
But if someone who become a cricketer, so
They need to practice.
they need to practice in field, not in online. They know how to catch, they know how to batting, how we can learn these skills online.
yeah, I agree with you, but I want to share a point. Online is better than offline because online is a low cost. How online learning often cost less because we don't need to spend money on travel and accommodation. But in the offline we have to spend money on travel and accommodation.
Online education system also help to protect the environment, as it does not require to cut down tree. Every year billions of trees are cut down, print books and textbooks to not print down work, but is not the case of online learning system. By doing so, we are protecting the natural resource and environment, which also help in global warming and climate change. It has been proving that every year global temperature is rising due to deforestation. Many animals and species die because of deforestation. Deforestation.
That's nice. Yeah.
Sir, I think there are many disadvantages of online classes. First, online classes often have delayed or limited interaction between students and teachers, making it hard to get instant answer or feedback. And some technical problems. Many students face internet connectivity issues, outdated devices, and lack of real time IT sports, which can disturb learning also.
That's right.
A major pros of offline classes is students get equal attention to their tutors. Students have the opportunity to get their doubts and related and to any topic. As evaluate of forest whether a student is attentive and understand the outgoing topics or not by asking question during classes. And in online classes, we say if someone is very sir बहुत कमजोर है
Weak.
very weak in any subject, so they say they don't ask question because they think that someone will laughing that they can't do they have no knowledge and they can't do a little question. So and in offline classes, we ask questions to their teachers easily, to our teachers quickly and easily, and our teacher understand in different methods.
That's nice.
Therefore I believe that offline classes are more best than online classes.
Yes. Anybody has any point now?
Yes, sir. I have a point. Sir, online education provides safety. Because in the offline, if you study offline, you will have to go outside and buy the vehicle, and vehicle are increasing traffic and pollution. But by the online, we can less reduce and traffic and pollution, because in the online we don't need to go outside. And additionally, some parents fears for their girls when their girls go to outside for study, and because it is also good for their parents, because nowadays rapist and criminal are increasing day by day. So online education is best for their girls, because they don't need to go outside and they can study at home from the online. To conclude, online is better than offline because it provides safety.
Sir, I have a point.
Yeah.
Sir, how they can my opponent online education is best, because offline education is more beneficial for children, because they don't make how to make alphabets, but their children quote their hands
And make them
and
right.
make them rhyme, and it's the biggest advantage of offline education. It's basic knowledge students needs for their classes.
Yes.
Sir, I have an answer. He said that of online classes provide us safety, but now schools provide us bus van for girls, and you said if girls outside, so they have a fear to rape and etc molesting. So schools provides the girl discipline, and the girls and the bus, van, vehicles, yes, and schools and offline classes are also provide us safety in different type safety.
I don't agree because sir, bus and vehicle are increasing traffic. I already I have said this, and by the way, traffic are increasing pollution
And because of pollution,
because of pollution is harmful for our life.
now, yeah, what do you say?
Online education less expensive than offline education because students have money on bus, train, fuel because they study from home and they don't need to live in cities to attend classes. Secondly, online platform often promote green ideas through videos and digital campaigns. For example, if 1000 students study online instead of traveling, daily hundreds of liters fuel and tons of paper can be saved every year.
Tons of paper can be saved every year. That's nice.
Sir, I think offline classes provide extra academic activities. For example, multiple extracurricular activities like sports, student elections, inter-house competitions, visit labs, work arts, etc. These types of activity student perform and they can build their confidence also.
Offline education boost our confidence, but in online education we don't boost our confidence. And if we are confident, so we do anything, and if we are not confident, we do nothing. And confidence is the most important thing in our life. Can we learn English in online? No. How we can learn English online?
Because we cannot, it is a practical.
Because it is a practical skills, and in offline classes we can group work with our friends, our teachers, because our teachers support us and make a chance to you to group to students students each other talk in English, and because of we talk in English, so our confidence level is boost, and teachers take many presentation in class in front of 50 students, and it is also boost our confidence. Because of this boost our confidence, and in online classes we can't boost our confidence, only learn things and do copy anything. In online classes we copy, not knows our creativity, not use our mind. Like as if someone gave a question, so he don't use their mind, he don't use only Google, social media, chat GPT, etc. apps, and they do copy, not they solve their solution, only copy. And because of this our creativity is decrease.
My opponent says student just copy online, but how student selected from how select student from online. Recently I see many students selected in JEE, NEET, UPSC through online classes. So how they selected?
Yeah, I want to add one point.
I would like to I want to add my point furthermore. I think offline class is for basic, because if you are a serious student, you will have to take class online and you will have to study online, because you can check many student result who has cleared their UPSC and other exams, they used to study online. I think 90% student used to study online that who has cleared their exams.
I want to add one more thing. If we take on offline classes, we meet limited student. But in the online classes, students have a chance to meet new people and new student, because in the online live classes more than 4,000 students join live classes. Millions of students take online classes, and you can chat with anyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask them.
So guys, it is time to conclude the group discussion. You have done a tremendous job in my opinion. I personally believe both online and offline have some advantages and disadvantages as well. Some of my students from all offline platform believe that offline is paramount for basic knowledge, and I agree with this statement. A student who is just in first and second class cannot understand classes of online. Therefore, for them, schools and traditional classes are a best choice. When it comes to boost confidence level, then again, online classes are definitely more important than online classes. Since students give presentation and participate in projects like in schools they give presentation and many more. On the other hand, onlines have some advantages as well. And the first and biggest advantage of online is that you can take class anywhere, anytime, according to your schedule. This is one of the biggest advantage for those who are busy in part-time jobs, or those who are housewives and teachers running their institutions. They can learn online because they don't have time to go to college or schools. An additional advantage of online classes is that it helps us to control our global warming, since we don't need to deforestation. Deforestation means the cutting of trees. Every year, millions of trees are cut down to print paper, pencils, and so on. However, online platform have some serious disadvantages, such as connectivity. In a remote palace, a small village, it is still hard to connect properly to a online platform. And as online classes are run through internet is harmful for a number of species like bird. Earlier we used to listen the sound of bird in the morning. Now we don't. All in all, both have some advantages and disadvantages. For those who don't have time to go to college and schools, online consider a best options. For those who don't have basic knowledge, then offline is a best choice. Thank you guys.